Hello everybody, Coco Gumpy here. Today we finally got my part for my Harley Sportster and we're going to switch it out. So come along with me and help me figure this out because I've never done one of these before. But here's my Harley and I have to change out that part right there. Rear master cylinder for my back brakes. And we've got the exact part here. So we're going to take that one out and put that one on. Hopefully my brakes will work. So come along with me. Let me get it together here. I'll be back in a second. Well, as you can see, I have removed my right side brake assembly and floorboards to get that rod out of my master cylinder. So that's the new master cylinder. We're going to put that all together and put it in the bike. So now I'm going to tackle my master cylinder and remove this. So let's do that now. Well, I got the old one off. Right there it sits. I had to unloosen my my headers, and so they could move around enough for me to get at these two bolts. It's a pain in the butt. But it is what it is. Now I can put the new one on, get it all bolted back together, get my guards back on. You can see I still got a wrench on that front lower exhaust bolt. It is a real hard thing to get at. Had to use a really long extension. Thank God I had one, or else I'd had to take these all the way down. They've been forever to get them off. So I'm halfway. So we'll start putting it back together and hopefully my brakes work. So I'll be right back in a little bit. Alright, well, I've got it all connected up. I gotta put my shields on my pipes though. Other than that, then all I have to do is bleed the brakes, fill it full of fluid, and bleed the brakes. Now, hopefully it's going to work because my back is broken from doing this. Anyway, love this little Harley, and I haven't been on it for 2 months because I've been waiting 2 months for that part, which kind of upsets me. Sent me 2 different parts and then forgot to order it once. And I went to a real Harley dealership in Daytona and they got the part for me first time. Imagine that. It didn't mess it up. Alright. Once I get it all back together and bled, I'll take it on a test drive and see what it feels like. Alright. I'll be back in a little bit. It's starting to get dark, so I gotta hurry up. Well, that took me all day, being the first time I've ever done that. But my bike is all back together again. I took it for a test drive and the brakes seem to be working fine. Hopefully it stays like that. Thanks for coming along with me while I put a new part on my bike. That was not easy as I thought it was going to be. But it's all working now. Alright, well, my name is Coco Gumpy, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. You don't have to vote for me. You can vote against me. I'm just doing this for fun right now. So, anyway, the brakes are working. And I will see you in the next one. And all of you out there that watched Adam the Woo like I did, he passed last week, 51 years old. Please go to his channel and express your feelings. His family is watching, and they are mourning him as well as 750,000 subscribers that he had. We're all going to miss Adam. He was a very nice person. I never had the opportunity or the honor of meeting the man, but we will meet in heaven when it's my turn to pass. So please subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Bye for now. I'm Coco Gumpy, and I'm out.